Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. So today I'm going to discuss about the power electronics. If we'll talk about the power electronics, so it is a very vital field or very important field of electrical engineering. So by definition, if we talk about what is a power electronics, so power electronics is the subject that concerning the application of principle of electronic at high rated power level, not on signal level. So if we want to operate our devices at a high voltage level, then definitely we need power electronics. So power electronics deals only with the high rated power level, not the signal levels, right? So again, it is also known as the technology of conversion that control that may basically convert the signal, control the signal, and conditioning of electrical power into a desired electrical output. So this is the combination of three parameters, we can say that is we can say conversion of the signal, controlling of the signal, and conditioning of the electrical power. The conditioning means it will increase the level of the power, and it is the combination of, we can say, that control system, electronics, and power system. So these are the three main categories that including power electronics. So we'll talk about the rapid growth, why we are using the power electronics nowadays very widely or in advanced stage for the control of equipment in the industries. So the first one is the advance in power electronic switches. As we know that the power semiconductor devices are much more advanced nowadays, or we are using the hybrid semiconductor materials. So the advancement in power switches also include the rapid growth of power electronics devices. So advance in microelectronics, that is based on DSP, VLSI, microprocessor and microcontrollers, that will also lead the growth of our power electronic devices. New ideas in control algorithms, as automation is over there in every industry, so new ideas have to be very much responsible for the rapid growth of the power electronic devices, or simply we can say the demand for the new applications. As we know that innovation is never end, the ideas will lead the new innovations. So we can say the demand of new application include the rapid growth of power electronics. So these are the basic areas in which the power electronics contributed most. So if we'll talk about the simple electronics that deals with the solid state devices and signal processing, then we utilize the power electronics mostly nowadays. Power system, this is the again most important application of power electronics devices that deals with the static rotating power electronic equipment. So for the control of power electronics rotating equipments like electrical machine, induction machine, DC machine, in wind generation plant, in thermal power plants, in automatic system, we always use the power electronic devices because they're very efficient. Then the next is the control system, deal with the steady state and dynamic characteristics of closed loop systems. So in control system, the combination of power electronics and control system nowadays very famous for the control of automatic processes. So if we'll take the comparison of power electronics and signal processing, there is a lot of difference between them, and the power electronics have lots of advantages over the signal processing. So if we'll talk about the power electronics, the focus is on power conversion at highest possible efficiency using very small control signal. So we have to just utilize a small gate signal, so we can control the high power conversion devices with a high efficiency. And then second is the semiconductor devices work as a switches in this case, and third is the power handled may range from few watt to several megawatts or gigawatts nowadays, we can say that. So basically if we'll apply a small signal or control signal over there, we can handle the gigawatts of power as well. In signal processing, semiconductors generally work as a controlled source in a linear region of their characteristic. So this is the limitation of signal processing. So every semiconductor device have their limited characteristics, so that can be work only in a limited range. So that's the drawback of signal processing. The focus is on information processing with minimum loss of information. So in power electronics, there is no loss of any kind of information over there, even they operated on the processor based or microelectronics based or computer based devices. But here in signal processing, as we know that in sampling or we transfer the signal from one transmitter to receiver, we have a aliasing problem over there, interference over the loss of information will take place. Then power control will be of the order of few milliwatts or few watts we can. So a small level of power transfer take place in signal processing, whereas in we can say that in power electronics it will take the megawatt or gigawatt we can say. Okay. The next, if we talk about the application of power electronics, so it is an interdisciplinary in nature, and a range of power scale is very wide for the power electronics. So as we can say that it will convert the millivolt to megawatt and again megawatt to gigawatt. So this is a power conversion process basically from low level to high level. And these are the field that include the power electronics nowadays. So if we talk about the circuit theory, the power electronics we can utilize in the same field: control system and theory, signal processing, electronics, electromagnetic, power system, electrical machine, simulation and computing, solid state physics. So that's why the power electronics is also known as interdisciplinary in nature. So all these field we can utilize efficiently power electronic devices to increase the efficiency of production. Thank you very much. This is all about the power electronics. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on power electronics. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.